What are the major requirements, Star, for applying a Dubai visa?
First is a passport copy, of course. Then clear photo with white background, or else you can just send us any clear photo. Then we will just have to edit it. Then
those are for adults.
Adults, yes.
How about for minors?
For minors, so same passport copy, photo, then birth certificate copy.
Yes. So those are the basic requirements when applying for a Dubai visa. But now for adults, there's no problem about applying a Dubai visa. But now at present, there is a new rule implemented here in the UAE that there is a specific process when it comes to applying
minor applications. Yes.
So what is the process for that, Star?
For minor applications, if your child is traveling alone and hindi po kasama yung parents na nakaturist, so siya lang mag-isa magta-travel pa UAE.
Nandito sa UAE ang kanilang parents working here.
Yes. So we will apply it in Sharjah application.
Sharjah.
Yes. So it may take time, like 1 week process. So if kukunin niyo po yung anak niyo na minor, yes, pwede sila mag-travel. But iba ang process ng kanilang visa.
Before, we can apply minor in the Dubai visa, but now, as a new rule being implemented in the UAE, only Sharjah visa is possible for minor who are traveling alone. That is, if their parents are working here and residing here in the UAE.
Residents. Yes.
They can also provide a copy of their residence visa as proof that they are working here, and it also need to be attached on the visa application. Before, there is security deposit in applying for Sharjah minor visa application. Does this apply still today?
Actually, time to time, it changes. So sometimes the immigration is not asking, sometimes they are. So it depends on the time na kailan po kayo nag-apply. So as much as possible, mag-import po kayo ahead of time, at least may idea po kayo. And for those also na minor na magta-travel pero kasama either of the parent, like isa or one of them, so pwede silang
mag-apply ng
Dubai visa. Yes.
Again, we have to make it clear. If the traveler minor is traveling with a parent, they can apply both in Dubai visa. And when they reach here in the UAE, we have to explain again the process of the visa renewal or visa extension, because it varies, especially for child visa application. There is update from time to time. That's why for our clients here in the UAE and the Philippines that will be inquiring for a minor visa application, might as well inquire from us so that we can inform you the latest updates when it comes to minor visa application.